explore. There's always more. With Sprout, the super great sidekick, and Suzie Hicks, the climate chick.
Super fantastic epic adventure! Hi, Suzie. Hi, Sprout.
Hi! Today, we have the absolute pleasure of speaking with Shamika Dixon from Grid Alternatives about solar energy, which is energy from the sun.
Hi, Shamika.
Hi, Sprout.
Can you tell us what Grid Alternatives is all about?
Sure. We believe that free, clean energy from the sun should be available to everyone.
I recently learned that the sun is very powerful.
That's right. And we take the power from the sun and turn it into electricity utilizing these gadgets called solar panels. And we also teach people how to install these solar panels so that families everywhere can have access to solar energy to power their homes and their communities.
That's amazing.
You want me to show you?
Yes, please.
You're gonna need these.
Wow.
This is Unique, one of our super trainers here at Grid Alternatives.
Hi, Suzie. Hi, Sprout.
Hi!
You ready to learn how to install solar panels?
Count us in.
I'm sort of small compared to these big panels and roofs.
It's okay, Sprout. I'll help you. Here we go. So this is a panel here. What I'm going to do is I want to connect it to this gadget, right? I want to make sure each one clicks. Click. And this is called a microinverter. A microinverter converts the energy from the sun, right? I want to lay this down.
Oh, thanks.
I'm giving Suzie a tool. It's called an impact. It's used to tighten and hold the panels so that they're secure. You want to help tighten down with me, Suzie?
Okay, here we go.
So now, when the sun shines on these panels, it absorbs energy.
So solar panels are kind of like a sponge, soaking up energy from the sun's rays.
That's right, Sprout.
We did it!
Hey, we did it!
All of the electricity created from the solar panels comes together to power homes, schools, and even communities.
Yay!
And what connects all those places is called the grid, which in part is how we got the name Grid Alternatives.
Is it fun to teach people how to install solar panels?
Yes, it's so fun. I get to teach a career that's in high demand, and they get to go into families' homes, and they benefit from having a solar-powered home.
Wow!
And each person that we teach can teach even more people about money and planning-saving power. And we work together to create climate solutions!
So we can get our Goldilocks planet back to being just right.
Exactly. This is incredible. Thank you both so much for having us here to learn about solar energy.
I'm glad there are people like you putting the sun's powerful energy to good use for so many people. And thank you for showing us how cool renewable energy is.
Renewable energy.
I said that.
Thanks for coming, and you guys are welcome back anytime.
Now, Sprout, I have a little present for you.
Wow! What is it?
It's a tiny solar panel. With this, you can use the energy from the sun to power small things that need to be plugged in.
Neat! Although I just gotta say, plants basically invented the idea of using solar power.
I'll give you that one, Sprout. Now let's go home, shall we? It's time for Review-a-Palooza.
Review-a-Palooza, Review-a-Palooza. Sprouts plain, Sprouts plain, Sprouts plain. Shamika and Unique are the best. I had so much fun at Grid Alternatives, and I'm super excited to try out my new solar panel. Let's review what we learned. Obviously, the sun is super powerful, and by putting solar panels on the roofs of houses and buildings, we can soak up the sun's rays and turn them into electricity to power our communities. Sounds pretty sensational to me, eh? Let's wrap this up with some Review-a-Palooza.
Join us next time for Review-a-Palooza, where we look at everything we have learned about climate change and clean energy. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with our adventures. And remember, solutions are everywhere, especially when we work together.